Hey everyone, welcome to Path to Purpose channel. Today, I'm diving into the world of data analytics and how it can transform raw data into actionable insights. So let's get started. Imagine you've got a huge pile of data, like terabytes of it. On its own, it's just a bunch of numbers and text. But with data analytics, you can uncover patterns, trends, and make smart data-driven decisions. First off, what is data analytics? In simple terms, it's the process of examining raw data to draw conclusions and insights. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving business problems. There are different types of data analytics: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Descriptive analytics tells you what happened. It's like looking in the rearview mirror. Diagnostic analytics explains why it happened. Predictive analytics forecasts what might happen next. And prescriptive analytics suggests actions you can take. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you work for an e-commerce company. You've got tons of customer data. Descriptive analytics can show you which products are selling the most. Diagnostic analytics can highlight why those products are popular. Predictive analytics can forecast future sales trends. And prescriptive analytics can recommend marketing strategies to boost sales. Cool, right? But how do you do it? You'll need some tools. Popular ones include Python, R, and SQL for data manipulation. Visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI help make sense of complex data. And machine learning algorithms can add a whole new level of sophistication. Remember, data is everywhere, and it's growing exponentially. Learning to analyze it gives you a superpower to see beyond the numbers and make informed decisions. So, whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just a curious mind, data analytics can open up a world of possibilities. Dive in, explore, and start transforming raw data into insights today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.